Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create animated videos in Canva. So first things first, what you're going to do is you have to go to Canva. You can type sign up to Canva and it's easy to create an account here. All you need to do is to enter your email address and your password or just connect your Google account. Once you have your account on Canva, what you're going to do next is you have to look for create a design. Now tap on presentation or video. Everything is up to you. Go to elements and then you have to look for a background. So for this time, I'm going to search for city lights or city background. And then I strongly suggest to select graphics, but you can also select photos. But this time, since we will be making animation, so I'm going to select graphics right here. Then choose city background. I'm going to drag and this is what it looks like. Now we're going to look for an animated character. So we can look for like girl walking or boy walking or man walking, something like that. Now go to graphics, scroll down till you see a moving character, something like this. Or if you want to look for other, you can just basically go to magic recommendations, but you can only do this if you're using the Canva Pro or the Pro version of Canva. Now, in order for you to animate this character, you just have to click this character right here. And then in Canva Pro, you can now use this animate, tap on create animation. And then in order for you to move this character, just do something like this. So you just have to move, create a path, something like that. Everything is up to you if it's straight or curved. And then once done, then you will see that this person is just walking, something like that. If you want to create more or add another scenario, you just have to click this blank page, look again for another background, and then same thing, go to graphics, drag the picture to the blank page. And if you want to use the same character, you just have to simply go back and then copy, go to the new page or new background right here and then paste. But you need to remove the old path if you want to create a new path. So for example, this one right here, I need to delete the path. Once you have deleted the path, you can now create a new one. So I'm going to do something like this. Okay, move it to this path right here. And that's it. To see the result, you just have to simply go back to the first page and then play. So basically, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.